Hey queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some cucumber juice. I hope you'll all enjoy this. It's just 4 ingredients, pretty simple. Stay tuned and keep on watching. The first thing I'll be doing is to cut up the cucumber. So I'm using 3 cucumbers and I'm just cutting it up into smaller pieces to make it easier on the blender. You can bear in mind everything I use in my videos, it will always be linked in the description box. So anything you see and you find fascinating, it is in the description box. Some of the benefits of cucumbers are it keeps you hydrated, keeps your skin healthy, helps to manage diabetes, and it helps in digestion, amongst many other benefits. Now I'm just adding the cucumbers to my blender and continue the process.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Moving on to the lemons, if you have a lemon squeezer, that will be easier for you. I'm just going to use a knife to pick out the seeds. Lemons support heart health, helps to control weight. It also improves your digestive health, amongst many other benefits. Now onto ginger. Ginger relieves nausea, reduces inflammation, it improves cholesterol levels, and lowers your blood sugar, and of course it also has other amazing benefits. Now I'll be adding 2 bottles of water. Some honey. Now it's time to blend up everything. Let's go.
I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time.
Right now I'll be just straining the juice and then I'll continue the process because I'm going to do it like 3 times before we get the finished product.
Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall,
If you've reached this far, you're a real one. Thank you for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Turn that post notification bell on so you never miss out on any of my videos. Also, share it to your family and friends because listen, boo boo, this is something you can share with even a baby, okay? So get that video circulating. Much love. See you all next week.